Video we're going to talk about how to make a balloon border in Word or any other border that's just fun. So let's go to design. This is in Dutch, but you can it will say design. Also don't forget to like and subscribe, it really helps me out. Then you go all the way to the right to borders, and then you can click on the square. This means with shadow, this means with 3D. And then you can go to the illustrations over here. And then you can click on, for example, I think this is apples, but you can also search for balloons. So then you can choose if you want the whole document, only the section of only the first page, or everything but the first page. I'm gonna do the whole document, and then click on OK. And as you can see, there are a lot of balloons right now. So this is great for if you have an invite. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Thank you.